Hey guys, today we are going to have a look at the Labists Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. It contains the latest Raspberry Pi 4 Model B with 4 gigs of RAM. It has a 64-bit quad-core processor, 2 HDMI ports, 4 USB-A ports, a Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB-C slot for power. The included quick start guide is very helpful for setting up this board. This kit contains a 5V USB-C adapter, which also features a switch. It comes with 3 heat sinks which are useful to keep the temperatures under control, a mini screwdriver, a small fan again to keep temperatures controlled, a micro-SD card reader to flash new OS in the included 64GB micro-SD card. This is the plastic case that comes with the kit. Contains space for USB-C connection, 2 micro-HDMI ports and a 3.5mm audio jack. Down at the bottom it sports a micro-SD card slot. Overall, a very decent case. The kit contains 2 micro-HDMI cables. Both support up to 4K 60Hz resolution. Looking at the Raspberry Pi board, we can see it is very well made. Contains 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, which are more than enough to connect multiple peripherals to this chip. Next, we are going to set this up starting with heatsink installation. For this, we just need to remove the 3M tape from the back and stick it to the respective chips like this. Next up, we will connect our fan in the cover of our case and tighten the screws with the included screwdriver. Same goes for the actual board. We will just align the holes and tighten all 4 screws. Next, we will connect our fan with respective pins. You can refer to the official guide for this. Normally, we connect the red cable with the first pin in the board. Similarly, we connect the black cable with the 6th pin in the board. Now we can close the case and finally insert the micro SD card. Now we are ready to run it. Just connected all the power and HDMI cables and ran it. Fortunately, the micro SD card already has Raspberry Pi OS installed. After finishing the setup, we will just restart to ensure everything works correctly. Let's start the browser and go to youtube.com to test the performance. As you can see, the performance of this chip is quite slow, but it is still faster than the cheaper Raspberry Pi Zero. Let's switch the quality to 1080p. As you can see, there are a lot of frame drops and takes a lot of time to go to full screen and back. Although this device is a little slow, This does not mean it is of no use. In fact, this is the perfect machine to run many useful tools like running a local ad blocker using Pi-hole, setting up a private NAS to stream media, and even running a personal home automation server to centralize all your IoT devices using Home Assistant. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if it was helpful. In our next video, we are going to build an affordable gaming PC. Subscribe this channel if you don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.